Bye-bye. 1, 2, mo. Smile. Yan. Oo. Lapit ka. Smile ka. Kita ni Papa. Smile! Dito ka tumingin sa camera. Camera. Dito oh. Dito oh. Kayo, smile. Johan, sa kam... Smile.
Muna mga po. Camila Roy's birthday.
Judge yan.
Nakawit po yun. Nakawit po po.
Johan, when the music stops, you have to stop like that, ha? Dance! Johan, dance!
Ayan. Ayan.
No moving! Nanginginig lang yan! Practice! How did you know?
Hi Camila, happy birthday. Stay good, stay beautiful, stay sweet. I will sing a song for you. Yeah.
More! Thank you po!
Yeah, Bye. Thanks all. Thank you.
Shake the tree. I got do, push pineapple, grind coffee. To the left, to the right, jump up and down and to the knees. Come and dance every night, sing with a hula melody. I met a hula mistress somewhere in Waikiki. Well, she was selling pineapple, playing ukulele. And when I went to the girl, come on and teach me to sway, she laughed and whispered to me, yes, come tonight to the bay. The lovely beach in the sky, the moon of Kauai, around Calypso surround, we'll all be singing this song. I got to.
And Ibo, I'm the king.
I feel Bibo King.
Tignan ko yung king. Ikot nga yung king. Tignan ko yung long hair niya. Wow! Oh, stop! Oh, smile.